Janet Museveni Honorable mukuru w'ihanga kandi chairman wa NRM aba district ya Ntungamo ebyabigambira nyuma abazio bwabere nabugana habebembeza barukurira akachiko kakaruru ka NRM aba district ya Ntungamo omumaka gairenga
itwe hati into the campaigning boarding schools, especially in government schools. We should have no boarding schools in primary or secondary boarding schools. When hurra ncheje chagamba nbaba jangu they are compulsory no kugamba icho no kujangu boarding are compulsory.
Ebi yabigambira bwanyuma y'abebembezi kumanyisa ngu hariho amashomero ga government yagarukujema abana kurara hishomero na mnonga mu bina bya P6 na P7 aba bamugizire ngu amashomero gamwe ga government gakitiriho nk'ekiragiro abana bari mu P6 na P7 bateka kushashura emitwaro 3 ninga kurenga hozo kurara hishomero.
Abantu nibabani bakora projects zabo abo kubana banda gukora musente bakozesa abana ubundi obushomero bukubi obu bwa boarding bwokusya every so often abana bakagwamu abo kubana nibakozesa ebizimbe bitahasirire ebintu byo services zone z'yo mushomero nizibazigwire kunga bafosinga abana babatamu lero ubundi abana ba ending up nibagwamu mbwe nibyo bigwire bantu.
Janet Museveni yashoborere ngu ekigendererwa cyo kutandika Universal Education Program kikaba kiri cyo kwenda ngu buri mwana wa Uganda atunje obwegese oburukubasika. Gashaka Abdulkarim Sengendo.